and then you can do flips. Got a toy. Test it out. It's a drone. I wanted something small and affordable, and this is it. So everything you need is in the box. You have this. Your phone goes there. This is the little drone. Look at it. It's so small. I'm not doing anything super serious. I'm just here to have fun. And this one has everything that you need in the box to have fun with. But you have to learn how to ride it. Mostly your brain needs to adjust. In the house it works a lot better. Super compact. It just opens up like this. Right? So this is a little battery. It comes with it. I needed something that is very, very mobile. Also has a camera built in. It's insane. So we'll see how good it's gonna work. I'm actually very excited. I'm gonna have to download some software for it, and I'm gonna put the other battery to charge in the meanwhile. I never flew a drone in my life, so let's see what's gonna happen. It's on. So powered on. Oh, it's flying already. So this is what you need to know. It comes with 2 batteries. Battery goes in. Camera is manually adjustable. So make sure that you install these little guards over here because they're very, very important, right? So just turn on right now. And then I'm not going to use my phone. You could fly without a phone. Turn the controller on. And then at this point, it's ready. And then I'm going to try to drive it outside. Learning how to drive it, it's definitely a thing. So it comes up. Okay, so it turns. And then I have currents over here in the garage. And very, very poor skill, but there it is. Now outside is not going to run as well because it's a little bit windy today. But that's the idea behind it. It can feel the breezes, so it runs a lot better in the house. Okay, we're gonna do a quick test in the house. Without the wind, it runs a lot better. Back on. There it is. So it runs a lot better without the wind outside. It can turn, and it can do a flip. That's pretty cool. The flip is pretty cool because it's out of control but then in complete control. And then it turns really, really nice. And to land it, you could land it manually, so you could just put it where you want to land it. Like for example, let's say we want to land it over here, and you could just slowly just put it down. And it could sense when it reaches the ground, so it stops. Or you could land it automatically, so it has an automatic landing. So I'm going to bring it over here. I'm going to raise it, bring it over here, and then push the landing button, and then it goes by itself down, and then it just stops.